Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. So, we shall continue lesson 13 adverbs in class 3 English language. Okay. So, we have already done this exercise A from 1 to number 6 we have done. Today, we shall continue from 7. Okay. Let us just quickly revise what are adverbs. So, words that tell us more about verbs are known as adverbs. And we have already done 1 to 6. So, you know that here we have to write how the actions are performed, when the actions are performed and where the actions are performed according to the sentences. We have to write down how, when and where. Alright. So, you see number 7. We were living in Dubai then. Okay. So, when we were living in Dubai, we were living in Dubai then. Okay. So, you see here then. When we were living in Dubai. When the action was performed, then. Alright. So, you write down here when. Alright. When the action was performed, then. So, we were living in Dubai then. Dubai is an adverb here. Alright. And it is telling us about when the action was being performed. Alright. He asked me to speak clearly. How did he ask me to speak clearly? Alright. So, how? You see, clearly is the adverb here. How the action was performed. So, in this statement, it is telling us how the action was performed. He asked me to speak clearly. How did he ask me to speak clearly? Alright. So, you see here, clearly is an adverb here. And it is telling us about how. Okay. I saw Sally today. When I saw Sally today. So, you see here, today is the adverb here. And when I saw Sally today. Alright. So, you see here, today is the adverb here. And it is telling us about when. When I saw Sally today. Alright. I searched for her everywhere. Okay, I searched for her everywhere. Where did I search for her? Where did I search for her? Where? So, where did I search for her? Everywhere. So, you see here, everywhere is the adverb here. And it is telling us about where the action is being performed. Alright. I searched for her everywhere. Where did I search for her? Everywhere. Alright. Go somewhere warm for your vacation. Go somewhere warm for your vacation. So, it is telling us where to go. Go somewhere. So, where should you go? Go somewhere. Warm for your vacation. So, where? Alright. Okay. And which one is the adverb here? Somewhere. Go somewhere warm for your vacation. Where should you go? Somewhere. Somewhere is the adverb here. And where is the? It is telling us about where. Okay. Where the action is being performed. Okay. Later Rama ate some porridge. So, when Rama ate some porridge? Later. Later Rama ate some porridge. So, it is telling us about later. So, later you see, later is the adverb here. Alright. Later Rama ate some porridge. Okay. When he ate some porridge? When the action was being performed? Later. Alright. So, when? It is telling us about when the action is being performed. Alright. You see here once again 7 to 12. We were living in Dubai then. It is when the action is performed. He asked me to speak clearly. How? How? It is telling us about how. Number 7, number 8. Okay. See number 7 once again. We were living in Dubai then. So it is telling us about when. Number 8. He asked me to speak clearly. This is telling us about how. Number 9. I saw Sally today. This is telling us about when. I searched for her everywhere. It is telling us about where. Go somewhere warm for your vacation. It is also telling us about where. Later Rama ate some porridge. So later Rama, it is telling us about when. Okay, when Rama ate some porridge? Later. Okay, children. So you please do 1 to 12 in your English language copies. Okay, thank you.